In this video, I will show you how the Ninja Crispi microwave stacks up against traditional kitchen appliances. When you look at this model, you immediately notice the contrast between a standard 1000W microwave and this 14-in-1 powerhouse. The standout feature here is Fusion Crisp technology, which allows the machine to start with microwave energy and finish with 1700W of air frying power. This is a massive trade-off in favor of speed and texture, as it claims to be up to 60% faster than a conventional oven while delivering much crispier results. Looking closer at the hardware, the XL flatbed design is a significant win for large families. By removing the traditional turntable, you gain 40% more usable cooking space compared to a standard 1.1 cubic foot microwave. This means you can actually fit a 9 by 11-inch baking dish, or even 4 bowls of leftovers at once. For those prioritizing health, the inclusion of clean crisp glassware is a huge bonus. These 5.5 quart containers are PFAS, PTFE, and PFOA free, and they are sturdy enough to hold an 8-pound chicken or 4 pounds of fries. Whether you are using the 8 microwave presets for popcorn and defrosting, or the 5 air fry modes for roasting and broiling, this unit aims to replace multiple, bulky countertop tools. It is a premium choice for anyone who wants high-performance air frying without losing the convenience of a microwave. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you think this hybrid design is the future of cooking.